Hey, welcome back, guys. God bless you. Happy Father's Day, and I hope you all are having a great Sunday. I have a limb job today to do. Already took half of the limbs out. We gotta get the rest of the limbs, and I gotta remove two whole branches right there. Forgive me, I'm losing my voice, y'all. Please comment, like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications. And don't forget your prayers. Here, I'll show you the tools I'm gonna be using. All right. Chainsaw. We're gonna be using this too, old school. I've been doing this ever since I was a kid. I find it's very easy and I love it. All right, let's get to it. There we go. We have 55 minutes of record time.
55 minutes.
Yeah.
All right. Oh man, I see a spider web.
Oh yeah, this is cool. I got this too.
I see a-
Usually I use a ladder.
I see a spider web. Yep. I gotta start shooting my legs.
Touch your toes.
Yeah, I like running from my stretching. I always forget to do this.
Yeah, I'm not
Yeah.
you know.
Run out there, run up here like a spider.
Axe.
Okay.
Axe.
Axe. Yep, there you go.
Now the saw.
Saw. There you go.
Thank you, babe.
Yep.
You tell them that's why it's good to have help.
Oh yeah, that's why it's always good to have.
All right, 1 second. Yeah, it's a good spot. So better.
Yeah, I put Matt's used to climbing up trees. And there's already tools lined up.
We already cut this. Already cut this.
And I'm gonna be collecting the twigs, putting them over there.
Here on, you stand right there in the shade.
All right.
Thank you. I'll tell you when. Just take a break
Okay.
for now. All right,
I'll
beautiful.
start collecting them once I have like 2 or 3 down here.
Correct, yes.
'Cause I don't want it in the walkway either. There we go.
Pull it from the road. Yep, pull it down to that yard. That's good. it down or to the side a little. Just don't touch the screen of the phone.
Let's see. Let me see here.
You got it?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to move it up a little.
You see me? Then go behind it and make sure. Got me?
All right. You just can't see your face.
Right here. My bottom of this part.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, you can still see that. You just can't see your face.
That's fine. That's good. Make sure it's involved. Hey. Go, go, go! Quick. Thank you. Sorry, thank you. Good thing you're here. That's my problem. You weren't here.
Alright, I'm gonna grab this.
Yeah. Thank you, Mama. Don't even worry about the little ones. It's some big ones that hit the road I worry about.
Yep, I'm gonna put the little ones on this side.
Thank you. Yes,
Sticking out in the road, so I have to move
absolutely.
those. Okay.
Here it comes.
Alright. Look how big that
Grab
is,
it.
guys.
Yep, I know. That's a big boy.
Alright, I'm starting a new pal over here.
Thank you. And then start in this yard too after you're done.
I'm
I'll move it over towards the yard.
yeah, okay.
Right in the middle. Of the yard. Yep, perfect.
That's the new pile.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yep. Okay.
Here it comes.
Hey. There you go. Got it. Got it. Whoa. Look, guys, he's standing up still.
Wow, that's crazy. That's a good one.
There you go, guys. Look at that big thing.
Can you believe how tall they are?
Yeah, I know. These were some freaking tall branches.
Uh-oh. You're ready to grab it quick. Wait, back up, back up, back up.
Go ahead.
Wait till you tell me if I'm good dropping. Car's coming, yes or no?
Wait. You're good. You're good.
Watch your head, back up.
Okay, go.
Grab it. Thank you.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna rearrange it really quick.
Yep.
Dang it. Oh, that hurt.
What's wrong?
Oh, that's
Where's
right.
your gloves?
I just got scratched.
Where's your gloves?
Yeah.
Here.
I think I should use those, right? right, guys, I'm going to pause this for 1 second here. There we go. All right. Let me see. Okay, looks good to me.
All right, good deal.
You can still see ya.
You ready?
Okay.
Is there any car coming? Here it comes. You ready? It's all right. I got you. Hold on. Good call, yeah. Good job, man. Perfect.
There we go. Let me get out of the
This
way.
one's you now. Yeah.
Alright. Trying to make sure I don't get in the way either. Alright, let me get this one.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Now, the car's coming.
Yep, cars are coming.
You see him coming?
Yep, they're coming.
All right, I better wait. Better be safe.
Two more cars are coming this way.
Are they parked?
No, they're coming.
Oh, okay. This one's gonna be fun to go for. Do it? Not yet. Now, here it comes. That's all right. Watch your head. Step back. Go back towards the camera.
There we go. Awesome.
Yeah. That's good. Good thing I know what I'm doing. You all believe what just happened. What if it snapped off? Look at it. You ready? Say, get it. No, grab it from the back. Always grab it from the back. Next
Yeah, I
time.
know.
You're good.
That's the gun I grabbed real quick.
You know that, man? This treatment worked pretty good. We're getting it now. This thing's my way. All right. Yep. Yep. All right. What, you ready?
Oh, okay. All these little ones I'm putting over here.
Thank you.
There we go.
Yep, I'll wait for you to grab that and get out the way. Thank you, love. Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna take a new spot now.
Go ahead. Yep. Put it right here, Mom.
Right there?
You have it the wrong way.
What?
You have that here.
This one?
Yes, it's just the long nose. You want that end on that end.
This end or this end?
Yeah, turn it with what happened now.
Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah, okay, okay. Those two I have right in check
Correct.
this out.
You don't want to drag it through the yard.
Yeah,
You
one
don't have
second.
a long number.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix this real quick and put that on top
I'd
of
say
it.
it'd be fine because we can drag it through the yard, but I don't want to mess up the yard.
Yeah, it's fine. I'll fix that and turn it around.
Thank you, Rod.
I'm gonna turn that around really quick.
Yep,
These are the
thank
little
you.
ones. Alright, these are just little ones.
Yep, little ones don't matter.
Yep.
Get them out anyway.
Alright. I hate.
This is the one I'm going through, yep.
I'll wait until you get that one down too.
Alright. Got it? Hold on, baby, got it. Right there you go, Mom. It's gonna be good. Remember, this end goes down there.
Yeah.
Flip it.
Yep. Whoa.
You have to see if you back up to get more room.
Yep. I gotta back up further next time.
Nope.
Oh yeah, dude. I
Right
did it
there.
the wrong
You're
way.
right, you're right.
Just put it on top of this one.
Correct. There you go.
I thought you wanted me to turn this one around though.
No. That one. Yeah, I do, but not right now. Yeah, now do it. Now do it.
Now
Grab
do
the
it?
bottom one
Alright.
from the end.
I gotta grab both
Grab
of
the
them
bottom
now.
one first. Stop. Leave it. There. Now swing right. Look at me. Go around.
Yep. I think it's too big
Yep.
though.
Go down. Swing around. Trust me. Keep walking down further. Now watch the camera. Come around now. Turn. This way.
Yep. This way.
Yeah.
See, I don't have enough room to.
Go out on the road. Wait till cars come out. Go from the back. You don't think you're
I'll just do it back. I'll just do back more.
There. Now you have plenty of room. Go ahead. Do your circle. Keep coming. Perfect.
Oh.
Keep going. Keep going. You're good.
Yep, got it.
You do one at a time now.
There we go.
Basically on. That's perfect. Now come over and get this little one and throw it on top of it.
Well, first I gotta fix it.
Not that one. This one first.
Which one?
This one.
Oh.
Stack it right on top of the other one. Dead on top of each other.
Yep, yep.
Straight. You're working too much harder.
Hold on.
There you go.
There we go.
Now you're
Now I have to
Little-
flip it over more
yeah.
because this is a walkway.
good. It's fine. First get that little one, hon, and I'm going to cut this one.
That one?
Yeah, don't worry about that. They can go around it.
Alright, okay.
So we're done. Thank you.
Yep. Alright. Huh?
Careful. Watch out.
Okay.
Oh, darn it. I knew it was not going to play. Get it? I almost got it.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. Next time I won't let it go that way. You'll watch out. That's a weird angle.
Yeah.
Got it. Hold on. Yeah. There.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let it drop your way.
Alright, go ahead.
There you go.
There we
Perfect. Now, the right note right here. Right where it is. Roll it over.
go. Alright.
Come up here at the top. Get in the middle of the tree. Roll it. Let it hit right in the yard.
Yeah.
That's fine. Right there. Yeah. Now come along. Keep it right there. Fine. There.
Okay.
Come up here in the middle of this tree.
Alright.
Right where I'm pointing. And push it over.
And push it over this way.
Look at me. I'm looking.
Okay.
Push it over. Correct. And then shoot me in the yard.
Yeah.
Not that
okay.
part. Right where I showed you.
Alright, hold
Stand
up.
right in the middle. Push the tree over. Slide it over. It just slides right over. tip. The tip. Amy, look right point, please. The tip. Right over it.
Oh, yeah.
Have them all at once and just slide it right over it. You gotta learn to got the bottom of the bunch.
Oh.
You got the bottom so you can slide it.
Yeah, I see it. Hold on, I gotta get it together. There we go. Now I got it all over here. Okay. There we go.
Any cars coming?
Let me see. You're good.
Good.
You're good. You can do it quickly. That's coming.
Alright.
Alright, let me get that one.
Remember, drop not the butt end of it.
Yeah,
Wait, go straight. Straight.
yeah.
Watch out the leg. This right here. Okay. Sorry, I made something, man.
No.
Yeah. You know I can't talk.
Yeah.
I lost my voice. Watch out, dude. Just by sharpening this, it's cutting right through.
Yeah, I'd be careful with that one. Don't let that one fall.
Yeah, no. Oh, yeah.
Because that would hit right on top.
I'm going to let it go that way and you'll build.
Yeah.
We're
Just
going
push
to throw
it.
these on the dumpster.
Yeah, push it down over this way.
Is the camera got me?
Yep, it's still on you.
No, I missed through.
Someone trying to say hey. Over here.
Just wait.
Oh,
Ignore it.
we don't know. We don't know the people that stay here. Yeah, we just know the owner.
No. No, Amy.
Oh, yeah, I
Just
know.
tell her you're sorry, ma'am.
Whew.
Have a great day. Tell her.
Yeah. It's fine, Shorty. She just wanted to go to some of the here.
Get ready.
Okay, you're good to knock it down.
Good to go?
Yeah. There's one coming though, so.
Okay. Thank you.
Just remember, push it down this way.
Yep, I got you.
There's one coming now. So.
Okay. Stay back. Got it.
Yep, okay.
I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. Hold on. I got it right here. Got it.
Oh,
Okay.
stop.
It's okay.
It's
Got it.
okay, it didn't hit nothing.
Yep.
It's good.
Pull it straight out. Nope. Nope.
The button.
Come down here.
Oh,
Look
hold
where I'm pointing.
on.
Stand right here. Look.
I got
My
it.
actual point. Stand right here.
Yeah,
Push the butt end.
no. Yeah,
Push the
no.
butt end of it. Yep. Grab it. Pull it straight up. Stop. Look. Watch out.
There we go.
What's that, Mom? Yeah, definitely. See, I suck left-handed, bro. I hate that. I have to use my right hand all the time. Thank you, Mama. Be careful now. I'm gonna get these little chips right here. That's a lot.
That is a lot.
We better do what we got so we don't overflow the dump truck.
Yeah. That would be that perfect. Yeah, just a lot. Okay.
Thank you for your help, buddy.
Yeah.
Not just pen.
Go down. Okay, here's these. Let me stop it.
Nope, you're good.
Okay.
Ugh. All right.
All right.
How's we do? How's it look?
Good. Good.
Oh yeah, much better. You
Yep.
can definitely see a difference. Let's
Yeah,
show
you
them.
definitely.
Oh, look at that. These are some long twigs, bro.
Yeah, they're long branches.
Jeez. There's a car coming. See? And she had to do all this. That's one heck of a worker right there. That's my wife of 25 years. We from North Carolina. All right, y'all. God bless y'all. Tell Mamie, have a great day. We wanted to show you all that. We're going to get this place cleaned up and get him to the next job.
Yeah, we gotta gather up all these branches.
God bless y'all.